guys, I think I made it worse. Definitely made it worse. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're a year into owning chickens. Still figuring some things out, obviously. So 2 of our chickens went broody over a month ago. I believe they're a breed that does this and likes to be broody. It's the kind that has kind of like the face whiskers going on. I tried to get them to stop. I took them out of the nesting box time and time again, and they just wouldn't stop. So eventually I felt like the only thing to do was to let them sit on some eggs. So I gave them each 2 eggs and let them sit on them, and I was like, it's fine. That's fine. It'll be fine. And it seemed like it was fine. And then about a week ago, okay, instead of 2 broody hens, all of a sudden we had 5 broody hens. I don't know if they could like sense that it was almost time for the eggs to hatch, or if they just all of a sudden just went broody at the same time. I don't know, but it became a problem. So first of all, because I know someone might ask, how do you tell if your hen is broody? You will know if your hen is broody because all they want to do is sit in the box. They just want to sit in their nesting box, and they want to sit on their eggs. And even if they don't have eggs, they just want to sit there on nothing because they're broody. They don't want to eat, they don't want to drink, they don't want to go out, they just want to sit in the box. Okay, I've also heard and can confirm that broody chickens have like really big nasty poop. Although I'm like, I think sometimes they just have big nasty poop anyway. I don't really know if that's related to the broodiness, but I've heard that. So another way to confirm broodiness is to do what I call the plop test. Okay, so when you take a chicken, say you're taking them out of their nesting box and you drop them on the ground, they kind of flap their wings like and land on their feet and run away. So the first time when Sugar Puff was broody and I was like, no, we are not doing this, I picked her up and I dropped her, like picked her up and dropped her out of the box, and she like just fell like on her face like this, like just fell on her face. It's just like lay there. I was like, oh my gosh, oh no, are you okay? And I was like, what is wrong with her? Oh my gosh. It's just like a broody thing. They just like fall and they plop. They just plop. Also, when they're in the box, sometimes if you like try to like go on, they'll just like tip forward and fall on their face and just like lay there. It's ridiculous. So the plop test, you can see how committed they are to their broodiness. I figured there would be no harm in letting the other broody chickens just sit in the nesting boxes, you know, next to Sugar Puff and Pepper. But there was a problem because Ducky, who previously had babies, has gone baby crazy. She wants chicks. Ducky, you have children. Here they are. I'm sure they still need you. And she was like, I would find her with the other chickens sitting, and she tried to steal their eggs. Ducky, those are not your eggs. Look, she just stole Sugar Puff's eggs. Those are Sugar Puff's eggs. Tried to sit with them on the eggs. And then finally, Sugar Puff had one of her eggs hatched. A little baby lemon drop was born. Super cute. So that was really exciting until I opened up the box and found Ducky. Ducky had sandwiched herself in between Pepper and Lemon Drop like a stack of hormonal pancakes, and I was really worried that she was going to suffocate the baby. So I figured, why don't we give you an egg so you can go chill? So I gave her an egg and let her sit on it, and I was like, you can just sit on this egg. Problem solved, right? Nope. No, Ducky did not want an egg. She didn't want an egg. She wants a baby chicken. And so she just kept going back and trying to steal the baby chick. So I've looked this up also online, and that is a thing. There are some chickens who will steal baby chicks. So since then, Ducky has been separated. She's trying to find a way to break in to get to the baby. I put her outside, and then now for nighttime, I think I am gonna put her in the dog cage inside the fenced in area. I can't let her in the coop because she'll just end up getting in there and maybe squishing the baby. So here, let's see if we can make this a little more comfortable and nice for you, okay? It looks pretty comfy, you know, if you're a chicken. I feel so bad for her, I do. I mean, clearly she's distraught, but I can't just give her the baby. And she won't just take the egg, so I really don't know what to do. Okay, Ducky, don't think of this as a punishment. Think of this as a vacation. This is like your very own Airbnb. It's secluded, it's private, it's just you. You're the only one in the whole room. You don't have to share it with any other chickens. Your kids won't be there. You can relax. You're gonna have your own food and your own water only for you. And you know, really this is sounding really good, and I think I'm gonna leave before I end up sleeping in the chicken Airbnb. So we separated Ducky from everybody, thinking that maybe that would solve the problem, and it did. So Lemon Drop came out to walk around a little bit in the coop, and Sugar Puff pecked at her. We have separated Pepper and Lemon Drop from everybody else. Right now she's in a tote, and that's what's going on. So if you have broody chickens, my advice to you is...
I don't think I'd take advice from her. Nope, she doesn't know what she's talking about.